You are cruising down the highway. The car feels perfectly fine, running smooth, but suddenly, that orange check engine light pops on to ruin your day. If you scanned it and found a P0137 code, do not panic, because this is often less scary than it sounds. This code stands for Oxygen Sensor Circuit Low Voltage, specifically for Bank 1, Sensor 2. Sensor 2 is the oxygen sensor located way back after your catalytic converter. Unlike the front sensor which helps run the engine, this rear sensor is a tattletale. Its only job is to monitor the catalytic converter to make sure it is doing its job cleaning the exhaust. When the code says low voltage, it means the sensor is seeing too much oxygen or is just stuck inactive for more than 2 minutes. The computer thinks the system is running lean or the sensor has died. Before you spend money on a new sensor, you need to check for the most common cause, which is an exhaust leak. If you have a small rust hole or a loose gasket near that rear sensor, fresh air gets sucked into the exhaust stream. The sensor smells that fresh air, drops its voltage signal, and tricks the computer into setting this code. So, get under there and listen for ticking sounds or look for black soot marks on the exhaust pipe. If the pipe is solid, check the wiring. Since this sensor is under the car, debris can hit the wires, or they can melt if they touch the hot exhaust. Follow the harness and make sure it is not cut or burned. If the wiring looks factory fresh and there are no leaks, then yes, it is likely the sensor itself has just worn out. They live in a harsh environment and get lazy over time. Replacing it is usually a quick job with an O2 sensor socket. Just remember, if you ignore an exhaust leak and just swap the sensor, that light is going to come right back on. Fix the root cause and you will clear that P0137 for good.